Welcome back to Shin's Kitchen, and today I'll be making this rice and peas recipe. If you love Jamaican food, you must know how to cook the perfect rice and peas. So come along and follow me. Today I'll be using red kidney beans that I pressured for around 30 minutes with 2 cloves of garlic and pimento berries. Yes, I said red kidney beans because I do not have any peas and this is an alternative. To my pot, I will add my beans. I measured the water and it's around 2 cups. Measuring the liquid is important, but you can also eyeball it. For me, I know the amount I should use. I'll add some fresh thyme from my garden. And this is the brand of coconut milk that I will be using today. And for this quantity, it's enough. And you know, I'm not going to waste anything, so I will wash out the can. I'll go ahead and combine. I will add 1 scotch bonnet pepper and my green seasoning. Please, you can check the description and you will find a video for my green seasoning. I will mix and combine. This is also my all-purpose seasoning. You can check the description box, and I'll add just a little bit of sugar. This is a trick that I learned from my friend back in university. Now I will add 2 cups of water because I will be cooking 3 cups of rice. Once my liquid has come to a boil, I will go ahead and taste. This is the most important thing to do because the taste that you have right now is a taste that you will get at the end of the cooking process. So you want to make sure that everything is perfect. I didn't add any salt earlier because there was some salt in my all-purpose seasoning. So I will add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and I will taste and I will see if I need to add anything else. Like, you can add anything that you think will improve the taste. So I added some salt and I added a little bit more of all-purpose seasoning. So you know that you want your rice to be flaky and fluffy, so you should add some butter. So this is what I am doing. I'm adding some butter, and then I will add my washed rice to my pot. And I'm using 3 cups of basmati rice, yes. And once I add my rice, I will go ahead and mix everything and combine it together. When I say you should ensure that everything is perfect at this point, you should make sure you taste. Make sure this is the taste that you want in the end. I will go ahead and combine everything together. In total, I have around 4.5 cups of liquid in the pot. You don't want to add too much water. Like, it should be around 2 cm above the rice. Your liquid shouldn't be too much. I let my rice boil for around 5 minutes. I combined everything well, and now I will add my foil paper. In Jamaica, normally my mom will add a plastic bag. The foil paper is to ensure that all the steam stays in the pot. And doing this step will ensure that your rice is flaky and nice. So cover it, seal it properly, cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, then turn off your heat and let it sit for an additional 10 minutes. Do not open it at all, just wait. As you can see here, I waited and my rice and peas was looking beautiful. Like, do you see it? I taste and it was cooked and ready. So now I will remove my thyme and my pepper. You don't want the pepper in it. It's just for flavor. So it's not spicy or anything like that. The pepper is just for flavor once it doesn't burst. So you need to go ahead and mix everything together. Like, use a fork. You need to combine your peas and your rice. The amount of beans or peas that you use will determine on your preference. For me, this amount is perfectly okay. If you followed all of my instructions, your rice and peas should be looking just like this. Like, can you see how fluffy and flaky my rice is? Everything was perfect. I made this for some guests and they absolutely loved it. This is the perfect dish for a Sunday dinner. If you like my recipe, please go ahead and give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.